Follow these tips to become an expert at affiliate marketing. Partnering with an affiliate marketing company is a great method of creating a second stream of income on your website. Before you get started, you need to learn the basics so that you will be able to achieve success. In this video, you will learn some proven tips that can help you succeed. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. Proper affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of research on your part, but that doesn't mean it has to be tedious. Thanks to viral video sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, just to name a couple, you can now check out entertaining tutorials that are not only entertaining but are also 2-for-1 opportunities, as they tell you how to do something and show you. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, you should make your text very easy to read. Shorter sentences of varying length are much easier for readers to digest. Bold text helps draw readers to important statements. Assuring that visitors read your copyright will ensure that it can sell them products. Affiliate marketing can be an extremely lucrative industry, and a big key to maximizing your chances of financial success is to know your target audience. Customize your affiliate ads to best fit your market's demographics. Do lots of mothers visit your site regularly? Then put up ads for diapers or children's books or other things that will be of most interest to this demographic. Take the time to go through all of the advertisements that you choose. Change them out on a regular basis. Think about what your readers might want to learn more about or may enjoy purchasing. This will keep your readers happy and introduce them to new ideas on a consistent basis. Hopefully, you have learned something new from the tips in this video that you can apply to your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember that it is important to stay current with changes in marketing information. Have affiliates sell your products for you, to generate additional revenue for you besides your direct product sales income. This way, you accomplish two things with one effort. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.